Hi guys, welcome back to Cup of Teach, and today we're going to discuss direct square variation. Direct square variation, if one quantity varies directly as the square of the other. Let us consider x and y as the two quantities. If y varies directly as the square of x, varies directly keyword, if you're going to translate that in equation, that is y is equal to kx squared, or y is equal to k times x squared, where k is the constant of variation, and k is equal to y over x squared. And this is the graph of direct square variation. Let's have your example. Using k as the constant of variation, express the following equation of variation. Number 1. B varies directly as the square of f. Varies directly, keywords. If you're going to translate that in equation, that is b is equal to k times f squared, where k is constant. Another example, S directly proportional to the square of L. Directly proportional, that is the keywords. Then, let us translate that in equation. That is S is equal to K times L. K is constant. Let's have an example of problem. Y varies directly as the square of x, and y is equal to 27 when x is equal to 3. Find the constant k of variation. First, let us translate y varies directly as the square of x. That is, y is equal to kx squared. Next, substitution, we're going to substitute 27 to y, 3 for x. So we will have now 27 is equal to k times 3 squared. And 3 squared is 3 times 3, that is equal to 9. So we will have now 27 is equal to k times 9. Since ang hinahanap dito is constant, therefore, we're going to solve for k. By dividing both sides by 9, then you can cancel 9 sa right side, matitira ay k. Then, sa left side, we're going to divide 27 and 9. That is 3. Therefore, k is equal to 3. Number 2, if y is directly proportional to the square of x, and y is equal to 45 when x is equal to 5. What is the equation of the variation? First, we're going to translate y is directly proportional to the square of x. In equation, that is y is equal to k x squared. Next, y is equal to 45 when x is equal to 5. By substitution, we're going to substitute 45 to y and 5 for x. So that is 45 is equal to k times 5 squared. 5 squared, that is 5 times 5, equals to 25. So we will have now 45 is equal to 25k. Then, solve for k by dividing both sides by 25. You can cancel now 25. So sa right side natin, matitira na ay k. Then sa left side, 45 divided by 25. Ilo-lowest term lang natin siya. That is 9 over 5. This is now the constant. Ang question is equation of variation. Therefore, magsa-substitute lang tayo. Use the original equation y is equal to kx squared. Substitute natin yung value ni k na 9 over 5. So, this is now y is equal to 9 over 5 x squared. This is the equation of variation. Number 3. X varies directly as the square of y, and x is equal to 75 when y is equal to 5. Find x when y is equal to 7. So we're going to translate x varies directly as the square of y. That is, x is equal to k times y squared, wherein k is constant. Next, we're going to substitute the value for x, which is 75, and 5 for y. So we will have now 75 is equal to k times 5 squared. 5 squared, that is 25. Therefore, we will have now 75 is equal to 25k. Then, to solve for k, we're going to divide both sides by 25. So that sa right side, matitira ay k. So, you can cancel 25. Then, 75 divided by 25, that is 3. Therefore, the constant is 3. So, since we already have constant, therefore, we can find the value of x. Let us use the original equation. X is equal to k times y squared, wherein y is equal to 7 and k is 3. So we'll have now x is equal to 3 times 7 squared. 7 squared is 49 times 3, that is 147. So this is now the value of x.
Thank you for watching. That's it for this video. If you learned something here, don't forget to like and subscribe to Cup of Teach. See you on the next lesson. Bye!